Used Kubota DC70G tractor for sale. Details. Stock number TP1091911. Make model Kubota DC70G. Year 2018. Extras. Cabin. Combine harvester, harvesting, threshing, and cleaning in one operation. 70 horsepower diesel engine. High-speed rice harvesting. 2 meters cutting width. 1,000 kilograms rice grain capacity. 85 liters fuel tank. Outstanding threshing system, able to handle long hours. Boom for unloading rice, for crops, rice, wheat, oats, barley, flax, and soybeans. Can also do corn with attachment. For more details, please do contact us. Our website is www.tractorprovider.com. Or you can contact via WhatsApp at +8180 3015 6655. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.